All right, we're beginning with breaking news that is just coming in. Pakistani army firing by Pakistani army at multiple locations from their posts across the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Damage to civilian houses in North Kashmir's Kupwara area. Indian army is responding to the provocations by the Pakistani army in a calibrated manner. This is the latest that we're getting right now. Firing by the Pakistani army at multiple locations from their posts across the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Damage to civilian houses in North Kashmir's Kupwara area has been reported. Indian army is responding to the provocations by the Pakistan army in a calibrated manner as well. And for more on this, we're now being joined by special correspondent Idris Lode, who has been getting us all the ground updates. Idris, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, I want to first begin by asking you what the situation is there at the moment. We're hearing of more firing. Pakistan, as we know, has continued cross-border violations. There's been firing that's reported at multiple locations, and houses to damage to civilian houses in Jammu and Kashmir's Kupwara has been reported as well. As we do know, Pakistan army had continued its ceasefire violations for a 15th night in a row. Firing now has been reported at multiple locations in Jammu and Kashmir. From what we do know so far, civilian houses have been damaged in Jammu and Kashmir's Kupwara. And for more on this, we're now being joined live by our special correspondent Idris Lode, who has been bringing us all the updates on this. Idris, what can you tell us at the moment?
Well, there has been fresh ceasefire violation from the Pakistani side in North Kashmir's Kupwara district and also in Akhnur in the Jammu division. We've seen since last night there has been continuous ceasefire violation from the Pakistani army at multiple locations across the line of control and international border, not only targeting the army and security forces installations but also the civilian population. There was a lady who was injured yesterday during the mortar shelling in Uri sector of Baramulla district, who later succumbed to her injuries. One more lady also injured. She's being treated at the hospital. Meanwhile, we've seen the properties of these civilians across the line of control completely destroyed, damaged by the mortar shelling from across the border. We've also seen not only the houses but commercial properties, cars and cattle of these people, which is their livelihood basically, has been under attack from the last 12 or more hours now. The whole of line of control has been put on high alert. The Indian Armed Forces, which includes the Indian Army and Border Security Forces, are continuously responding to it. But the situation very grim on the line of control. Since last night at around 9 o'clock, we have seen ceasefire violations taking place at multiple locations across Jammu as well as in the Kashmir division. That was also the time when the Pakistan army resorted to that drone. A swamp of drones was basically thrown towards Jammu city. All of them were foiled. There was no destruction anywhere reported from Jammu and Kashmir. But after that, there has been a lot of panic among the people all across Jammu and Kashmir. There was a blackout for around 4 hours. But at the moment, there are two locations where a ceasefire violation has taken place yet again. And this time also, it's the civilian population along the line of control who have to bear the brunt.
Right, Idris, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Idris, please stay safe. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you for more ground updates. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.